Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods of capturing a screenshot on your OPPO F9, F9 Pro or any OPPO smartphone. So let's start it. So the method number 1 to capture the screenshot on OPPO F9 is using the combination of physical button. So to capture a screenshot on OPPO F9 or F9 Pro, you need to press the power key and volume down key together, press and hold like this, and a screenshot is captured, as you can see. So now if you go to the Photos application and then to Albums, here you will find a folder called Screenshots. So this is the screenshot that we have just captured. You can see it's an image. You can edit it, you can crop it, rotate it exactly like an image because it's nothing but an image. So this is the method number 1 to capture a screenshot on your OPPO F9. The method number 2 to capture a screenshot on OPPO F9 is using the gesture. In this you just need to swipe down with 3 fingers on the screen and a screenshot will be captured. For example, if I want to capture a screenshot of this screen, all I have to do is put my 3 fingers on the screen and swipe down like this. And a screenshot is captured, as you can see. But to use this feature, first of all you have to go to the settings and then to Smart and Convenient section, tap on this and then go to Gesture and Motion, and here you will find the option 3 finger screenshot. If this is not turned on, it will not work on your device. So make sure that this option is turned on, and then you can take a screenshot just by swiping down on the screen using 3 fingers and a screenshot will be captured. The method number 3 to capture a screenshot on OPPO F9 or F9 Pro is basically an extension of the first 2 methods. While using the first and second method, the screenshot is captured only of the part of the screen that is visible. But if you are on any application or a part where there are lots of content, for example under the settings, you can see we can swipe up and down and more content will come. Same goes with the browser. For example, if you are on this website shanheather.com, you can see how many pages are there. So if you just take a screenshot, it will capture this part. But what if you want to capture the whole page? For that, we need to use any of the first 2 methods, either using the physical keys or gesture, and then the next step comes. So I'm going to use the power key and volume down key first. Once a screenshot is captured, at the bottom of the screenshot you will find some options. Let me show you once again. And one of them is long screenshot. So let's assume I am at this page and I want to capture the whole page. So just take a screenshot first and then tap on long screenshot. And after that you can start swiping up and your device will start capturing the long screenshot. As you can see that it is showing the message at the bottom, drag and adjust to capture a screenshot. It is also showing the dimension, how much is the dimension of the screenshot in terms of length and width. And once you are done and you have selected the amount of page that you want to capture, after that you just need to tap on the done button here. And you can see it is showing message generating long screenshot. And here is the screenshot that we have just captured. You can see it's a long screenshot of the whole page. So this is the method number 3 to capture a screenshot on your OPPO F9 or F9 Pro, and this feature works on any screen that got multiple screens. For example, if you go to the settings, you can do the same and you can capture the whole setting page. Just tap on done and this is the screenshot of the settings page. So these are the 3 methods that you can use on your OPPO F9, F9 Pro or any of the OPPO smartphone to capture a screenshot. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.